Hi dear nurses, welcome back to Dr. APJ Nursing Academy, Trivandrum, Kerala. Today I am going to discussing about the NORCET 2021 expected cutoff and how to calculate the cutoff and what is the separate cutoff for the male candidates and what is the separate cutoff for the female candidates. So before that I am going to present the video. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for the future updates regarding NORCET exam. One by one I am explaining here for regarding the NORCET exam. The exam pattern for the nursing is 180 nursing question and 20 non-nursing part questions. Apart from this is 180 nursing part and 20 for the non-nursing part, including GK aptitudes and reasoning part. From these, the 180 nursing questions, it include 10 to 15 image based questions and 50 to 60 questions are for the NCLEX model and 110 questions are from the basic, exactly as we discussed previously. Okay, so 10 to 15 is the basic image based questions, is very easy types questions. Some questions are little confusing, and 50 to 16 is the NCLEX model and 120 is the basic questions. So they conducted the exam in their two pattern, means there are conducted the exam in two shift pattern. That means the morning shift is and also in the evening shift. The morning shift exam is little easy and compared to afternoon shift. So some students are saying afternoon shift are little difficult, and somebody saying afternoon shift is average and morning shift is easy, and somebody saying morning shift is average. Anyway, we don't get any answer key, we don't get any memorize, or don't get any question from the AIMS recruitment, so we cannot predict the exact answer key for, because majority of students saying the questions are very little difficult for the and very confusing. The two options are really confusing for the AIMS exam. So here we can see how to the cutoff we can expect it. Okay, so next, the minimum mark qualification. Before that, the cutoff minimum mark for the qualification for the general and economical weaker section category general student 50%. That means they should cross the 100 mark for the result. They will definitely they will be included, and or they will be score more than 50, more than 100% they scored. They definitely they are in the UR or EW seats, and OBC they've qualified more than 45%. That means if you score more than 90 mark, you are in the list, and SC ST 40% mark, or it means 80 marks secured, the candidates will be in the SC ST list. And person with disability categories, all category, there is a 5% relaxation for the all category. If EWC from the UR category, 45% is enough. In OBC OBC PWD is 40% and SC ST is 35, and so the 70 mark is the approximate qualification mark for person with the disability, guys. Oh, and one more testing is 80-20 gender discrimination based male female nurse reservations also applied in the NORCET exam. So we can count that we have get a more chance for female nurses and very less chance for the male nurses. So I am just once again striking this 80-20 ratio, and the total number of seats for the NORCET exam is 3,773 seats, and plus 733 seats are reserved for Central Government Health Hospital in the Delhi. And the Delhi region, there are 5 Central Government hospitals are allocated 33 seats. In this seat there is no gender discrimination, that is for fully is based on the merit base. And 22 AIMS have the gender discrimination 80-20 ratio. The total seat is 3,773 seats, and out of this 20 percentage is reserved for male and 80 percentage is reserved for the female. So their female nurses have get more chance for getting AIMS recruitment or AIMS NORCET selection, have the more chance. Okay, so we can look the cutoff range. So there are, I already said, they have two shift conducted the exam. Shift one is morning and second shift is conducted in the evening. So there is a, compared to first shift and second shift, first shift is little easy, but in the second shift have little tough. Okay, so maybe they have the chance for normalization because of there is a difference between +3 to +5 mark. There is a differentiation for the normalization for the second shift. Second shift candidates get an extra score between +3 to +5. For they get more +3, getting more +3 have more number of right answer and less number of negative students have get more benefit for the normalization. Once again I am repeating, getting more chance for getting more mark for the normalization is the number of right answer is more and less number of wrong answer candidates have more chance for getting more normalization in the second shift. So we can expecting the +3 difference or +5 difference for the normalization between first shift and normalization between the second shift. So this calculated, we can expected the cutoff for the male candidates first, the announcing the appropriate cutoff for the male candidates for the NORCET AIMS 2021. The UR cutoff will be 119 to 124 will be the UR cutoff. UR candidate, the selection cutoff, the Pakka 100% selection cutoff will be 119 to 124 will be the cutoff, and the OBS cutoff and the OBC cutoff will be 114 to 119 will be the OBC cutoff, and the EWS cutoff will be 108 to 113 will be the EWC cutoff, and SC cutoff will be 104 to 108, and ST cutoff will be 100 to 104 is the ST cutoff, and the PWD cutoff will be 65 to 70 will be the PWD or person with the disability. The expected male cutoff for the NORCET selection cutoff. This is UR. Once again, UR is 119 to 124 will be the UR cutoff, and OBC will be 114 to 119. Because OBC there is too much candidates are there, that's why OBC cutoff will be little high, 110 to 119, and EWC candidates is very less, and 108 to 113 will be the cutoff, and SC will be 104 to 108, and ST will be 100 to 104 will be the cutoff, and PSN with the disability candidates how the cutoff of 65 to 70 will be the cutoff. Next the exact cutoff for the female for the NORCET 2021 AIMS exam for the UR cutoff will be 105 to 110 is the UR cutoff, and the OBC cutoff will be 100 to 106 will be the cutoff, and the EWC cutoff will be 100 to 105 will be the EWC cutoff, and the SC cutoff will be 94 to 100 will be the SC cutoff, and ST cutoff will be 90 to 95 will be the ST cutoff, and PWD will be 60 to 70 range of cutoff will be the PWD candidates cutoff. This the overall idea, and this cutoff will be, maybe they have some changes, maybe there is a positive changes, there may be a big negative changes. So this one is non-official and just for a survey of 250 students, just for a survey of 250 candidates for the survey, just making this cutoff for this, maybe this cutoff will be the around, we can expect this cutoff range for the NORCET exam. So this all regarding the NORCET cutoff range, and the result, maybe the result will be announced soon, maybe within 10 days we can expect the NORCET 2021 result, and maybe many of the candidates are saying the exams will be easy, and somebody saying exam will be the average. So everyone, don't worry, we can one way, just wait for the result will be coming soon, and you will get definitely all get selected for the NOSET. And thank you for all the best, and I just signing out. Thank you.